video is, in the minds of most family-owned businesses, a really new opportunity. It happens to be one that today is very powerful. It's also become increasingly affordable, and is on the cusp of being regarded as, you can start to regard a practical video strategy as a game changer, and nearly a need to have as a new channel to open up minds and to increase the frequency of traffic at your business. That's true for a couple of reasons. Video is unique in that it's super engaging. The combination of imagery, well-developed voiceover, and music strikes an emotional chord, and it appeals to all of our human senses. It pulls people in. It creates kind of a captive audience, and the statistics on video are really incredible. From HubSpot, adding a video to a website can increase conversions by 80%. Another great statistic, this one is dated, it's about 3 years old, but I think that the trend is still relevant. Forrester Research, on a wide panel of small businesses, a website with video content is 53 times more likely to appear on the first page of Google. That's an incredibly powerful statistic. It's not 53%. It's 53 times more likely. Your website is 53 times more likely to appear on the first page of Google results if it's got video in it than if it doesn't, on average. So it dramatically improves your search ranking. Video is highly influential. 64% of consumers are more likely to buy a product or patronize a business after watching a video, and that's a ComScore statistic. So last one, video is a very good investment, and it isn't typically a lot of money. And if you're not spending any money and you're doing it yourself, it's a really good investment. Businesses utilizing video, this is again 2 years old, grew 49% faster than businesses that were not using video advertising. We think of video as something that's been outside of our, maybe outside of our budgets or outside of our capacities to produce on our own. That today is no longer true. Video has been largely democratized. It doesn't take a sound system. It doesn't take boom mics. It doesn't take an over-the-shoulder camera and a talent crew to create effective video. Video is newly accessible, and today so many people interact with YouTube that it's the way a lot of people learn and the way a lot of people search. You could make the case convincingly that people don't read the internet anymore. They watch the internet today. And so after the call here, I'm going to send out live links to video content from laundromats and dry cleaning businesses so that you can get a sense for how you can deploy the product in your businesses, but to continue talking about the value of video. It's not just that it is engaging, drives your rank, is influential, and helps people make the decision to patronize your location as opposed to another location that they can't see or hear about. It's that video is now ubiquitous online, and if you produce some video content, there are a ton of great free outlets for it. That includes your own website. It includes your official business listing, your official business profile at Google. It includes posts that you can publish videos at no charge at Google. Your video, if you publish your video online properly, if you SEO your video content intelligently, that content will rank very high when your business name and locale is searched. I always pretend that I have a bait shop in these examples. If you Google a business in the form that many consumers do, Abe's Bait Shop in St. Charles, Illinois, if that was really my business, and I had and I had properly tagged up video content about my business online, it would appear really high in ranked search results in response to that consumer query. And video is so powerful that frequently you can get a well-produced piece and a properly SEO'd piece of video to show up not just when you're searched by name, but also when you're searched by business category. The leaving Abe's bait shop off of it, bait shop in St. Charles, Illinois. Regularly, you can get 30 seconds or 60 seconds or 2 to 3 minutes of video content to show up in general consumer search results at Google, and also obviously at YouTube, and then your Facebook page or other social media sites are also perfect outlets and platforms for sharing video to the consuming public. So my point is that search sites are thirsty for this kind of information, and once you've got a decent piece of video content that you're proud of, you can host it, post it, and market it really effectively, and be sure that it's got good visibility and that it's broadly being seen.